Have you ever wondered if AI models like ChatGPT or Midjourney actually learn, or if they are just really good at copy pasting? In the world of generative AI, there is a massive problem that developers try to avoid at all costs. It's called overfitting. If an AI overfits, it stops being creative and starts hallucinating, or worse, plagiarizing. In this video, I'm going to explain what overfitting is using a simple analogy and show you exactly what it looks like in text and images. Let's dive in. To understand overfitting, let's go back to school. Imagine two students preparing for a history exam. Student A reads the textbook to understand the concepts. They learn why a war started. If you ask them a new question that wasn't in the book, they can use logic to give a good answer. This is what we want an AI to do. We call this generalization. Then there is student B. This student memorizes the textbook word for word. They don't understand the history. They just memorize the sentences. If the exam question is exactly the same as the book, student B gets 100%. But if you ask a creative question, student B fails completely because they can only repeat what they memorized. This is overfitting. An overfitted AI hasn't learned patterns, it has memorized data. So what does this look like in the real world? Let's look at text generation first. Imagine you ask an AI to write a fantasy story about a boy wizard. A healthy model knows the genre of fantasy. It will invent a new character, maybe a wizard named Alex who goes to school in space. But an overfitted model, it might accidentally output the exact opening text of Harry Potter. Why? Because it saw that book so many times during training that it memorized it. Instead of creating, it's retrieving. This is dangerous because it leads to copyright lawsuits and plagiarism. It gets even weirder with image generation. Have you ever seen an AI-generated image that has a weird, garbled signature or logo in the corner? That is a classic sign of overfitting. Many AI models are trained on stock photos, which often have watermarks like Getty Images on them. If the AI overfits, it starts thinking that the watermark is actually part of the object. It thinks, oh, a picture of a business meeting isn't complete unless it has this squiggly text in the corner. It learned the noise instead of the pattern. That is overfitting in a nutshell. So, to summarize, healthy AI learns the concept, like the spirit of the law. Overfitted AI memorizes the specifics, like the letter of the law. Overfitting makes AI rigid, less creative, and prone to leaking private data or copyrighted material. I hope this clears up the concept. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex AI topics. See you in the next video.